Nikki Cheng, the President of the Philippine Skating Union, and currently lumipat po tayo mula sa mainit na PhilSports sa track oval. Ngayon dito tayo sa malamig naman, SM Skating Rink dito sa MOA. At ngayong araw, narito po tayo ngayon para sa uling araw ng Philippine National Figure Skating Championships na ginaganap dito po sa Mall of Asia. At pag-uusapan natin ko ng overview nito at of course yung mga upcoming events sa pagkakaabangan dahil may Carlson Ice Pad this coming weekend, and of course yung ating mga upcoming competitions. Miss Nikki, welcome back to Sports Corner and thank you for joining us.
Hello, hi everyone.
First of all, Ma'am Nikki, kamusta na po kayo? Naka-isang araw na po ito and we're now down to our last day ng ating Philippine National Skating. And sa unang araw, although pinost ko lang yung mga results lang, nakita natin at na-impress tayo dun sa short programs ng ating mga figure skaters, especially yung nag-stand out sa kanila dun sa women, si Maxine Bautista. Tinalo na niya si Sofia, si dalawang Skies, and of course the rest of the skaters, and of course si Paolo Borromeo naman sa men's senior. So what are your impressions during the first day ng ating skate nationals po natin?
Well, the first day was actually filled with the open category and also the adults. So these are not the national category, although we did have a few that performed their short programs. But on the national, on the open category, I'm very happy to see the sport growing, people that are having, interest in figure skating, and dito namin nakikita kung sinong up and coming. And also yung adults natin, they may not be able to qualify dun sa regular natin na system, but then we see the love for the sport, and na tinutuloy pa rin nila yung sport despite some of the things na hindi na nila naabot, pero they do it because it's something fun to do. So with regards to the national category, I would say that this year would be a very exciting year for us because we are going to select the people that are going to the Asian Winter Games based on the national ranking of the national category. And then other than that, for the junior level, it's always a selection for the junior Grand Prix. So it depends on how many slots the Philippines get in the next year. So maybe the top 2 or the top 3 will be seeded for the ISU Junior Grand Prix.
And speaking of that, nakita rin natin yung ating adults category at maraming na-impress dito sa naging performances, yung mga skills and techniques na ng ating mga adult skaters natin. Marami sa kanila may mga familiar na doon sa iba't ibang mga competitions. What can you say about them po?
Masaya kasi pati yung mga coaches namin may mga lumaban sa adults category. So I think it's something that the skaters love to watch, and then sobrang masaya sila na nakikita yung coach nila na nag-perform ulit. So adult for me, it's something that keeps the passion alive from these former competitors actually. So we're very glad that they're still out there competing in some way.
And of course, this is the last day of the competition, which is yung figure skating. So ano ba ang ina-expect for this time dito sa pre-skating event? At dito natin i-determine kung sino magiging pambato natin for the next competitions around and para makasama sa national training pool.
Well, definitely today, since puro national category tayo, makikita natin iba yung labanan, iba yung bakbakan ng ating mga skaters. So I'm very excited to see who will rise up, who will be crowned, and who are our next international competitors for Philippine skating.
Okay, so this weekend we'll be having the Carols on Ice. Ito yung yearly na fundraising attempt ninyo para of course to encourage more Pinoys to do ice sports, at marami tayong mga nakita natin performances, either figure skating, ice skating, and of course ice hockey. Sky Patenya, magandang hapon po. Ayan, si Miss Sky Patenya, isa sa mga competitors natin. With regards sa Carousel Ice, ano ba mga expect ninyo dito sa competition na yon, Ma'am Nikki?
So Carousel Ice is not exactly a competition. It's an ice show. It's what we call a gala. Like after a big event in figure skating, usually there's what we call a gala or an ice show. It so happened that what we have for the Philippines is we made it a fundraising gala in order to promote awareness for figure skating. So it's a day na the figure skaters are able to let loose and have fun kasi the competition is done and they're just out there to do what they love to do and to do and to show what figure skating is and then to perform in front of their loved ones and even some guests. So everyone is very happy to do this.
And of course, pagkakataon na rin para sa ating mga figure skaters to showcase their world-class talents pagdating nga dito sa Carousel Ice. So, sa mga pupunta ba ito, meron ba itong parang ticket fee para dito sa mga makakapanood na mismo? At kailan ito magaganap at anong oras?
Yeah, so for Carousel Ice, it is this Sunday na, November 10, here at SM Skating Mall of Asia. The doors open at 7 but the show starts at 7:30. All the seats are actually on the ice. All audiences are seated on the ice and it is by ticket. So we have the gold seating which is seated on a table and then dinner served on the ice. So that's 5,000 per seat. And then we have our silver seat for 2,500 pesos and then also 1,000 pesos for the bleacher seating on the ice. So all the tickets are available at smstudents.com.
Okay, so what's the next competitions for our figure skaters, especially sila Sophia Frank, si Isabella and Alexander Namper, although wala dito. And wag natin kakalimutan, we're happy to know that Peter Grosclose ng short flat street skating ay minsan nag-number 1 na ito sa mga heats niya, kaya nagtatagupay siya doon sa ISC World Tour. So unahin muna si Peter. What's your take doon sa naging outstanding performance niya ni Peter and paano natin siya mai-improve come the next competition ni Peter?
Well, Peter Grosclose, definitely someone to watch right now who's a rising star in the sport. His next competition is next week na. It's the Junior World Cup in Morbihan. So we are approaching our Olympic cycle, actually not just for speed skating but also figure skating. So all Olympic qualifying events are already happening next year. So that's why si Peter is really, participating in these world tour events. That's why, as a practice ground already in preparation for the 2026 Winter Olympics in Milano, Cortina. So I highly believe that Peter would be able to make it. So in terms of the pair figure skaters next week also, the reason why they're not here is also they're running for their world standing points. So they are going to Germany next week to the NRW Trophy. And after that, there are other competitions in the lineup as well, such as the Warsaw Cup in Poland and also the Golden Spin of Zagreb in Croatia. So other than the pair that's going to be going in Croatia, we also have Paolo Morillo and also some of our single skaters that are
Si Sophia Frank, sa Sky Patenya, Sky Chua.
Actually, so our two skies are not going there. Sophia Frank is going to the Santa Claus Cup in Hungary. And Kathleen Liptekstein is slated to go to the Bosphorus Cup in Istanbul and also the Volvo Open Cup in Latvia. So all of these are actually in preparation for the Asian Winter Games. So, but again, we will see on what the standing is in the national competition.
Okay, by the way, ilan po yung nag-participate dito sa nasabing pool? Can you give us the number of all those participated for this year?
So we have 100 participants now for the nationals. Actually, there was 105 that were registered, but of course some withdrawals because of some unforeseen circumstances. But then this is the highest ever that we have had for Philippine nationals. So we're very glad that the sport is growing, and we're also opening our doors to our regional neighbors. So right now we have Indonesia here, Singapore is here. So we're happy to expand together as a Southeast Asian region.
And lastly, paano natin maibuboost panlalo ang efforts ninyo, yung Philippine Skating Union to sabihin natin to promote ice sports sa kanilang mga lugar, even though meron tayong ilang mga lugar na ilang mga tao na gusto rin interesado to do ice skating katulad ng mga iba natin mga idol natin sa figure skating and even sa short track.
Well, they can simply just come to SM Skating and try skating for themselves. Malay natin magustuhan nila. And then other than that, they can try to enroll for themselves or maybe for their kids yung skate program natin. So other than that, I think like social media and the internet is very powerful nowadays. Just try to watch a bit of some competitions out there and perhaps you might find it interesting.
Okay, Ma'am Nikki, ito yung pagkakataon para imbitahan nyo sila sa uling araw ng Nationals and of course sa Carson Lights and yayain sila sa mga iba pa mga activities ng PHSU.
So, hi everyone.
Napasasalamat din.
Hi everyone. So today is the second and last day of the Philippine National Figure Skating Championships. We will see who will be crowned national champion. So our doors are open. It's actually free to watch here at SM Mall of Asia. So competition starts in a few minutes. At 1 o'clock, the competition starts up to 8 o'clock tonight. So if in any case na free po ang inyong Friday evening, why not watch yung mga pambato natin ng Pilipinas sa ice skating. And also for Carlos and Ice, if you want to enjoy a show, I would say that we have not disappointed in the last 2 years. It's our 3rd year of doing this. So it's a very unique experience na makakaupo kayo up close with these top level competitors natin sa Pilipinas, and you can watch them on the ice. And so next year we have big things planned. So I hope that you guys can continue to support me. And thank you guys. Thank you for your support and also for watching.
At alam ko mag-uumpisa na in any moment now ang ating second session. And again, congratulations to all the winners and we look forward for a greater days ahead in the last part of the year and in 2025 for Philippine figure skating, Philippine short track speed skating. At sama na rin yung ice hockey natin, ang ating mga kapitbahay natin na ice skaters natin na namamayagpag din internationally. So all the best and God bless and maraming salamat po.